Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to easily use overlay in CapCut PC. So for you to use overlay, you can just add two video, one as the main video and the other one as the overlay. So let's say I wanna add this video as the main video. Then next I'm going to add another video as the overlay. So it will put in here, but to make it as overlay, you need to put it at the top of the main video. So I'm going to drag it here. Then I'm going to trim the main video in here and then delete the rest of them like so. And here you can see that the main video is covered by the overlay. So what you need to do is click on the overlay and then go to blend, and you can choose a normal overlay and others. So I'm going to try overlay, and here you can adjust the opacity of the overlay video so that it doesn't cover the main video. So after that, we can just adjust it into your liking and then just try playing your video to see how it looks. Okay, so it looks like that. I think it's pretty good. And I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next following videos. Bye.